Northeastern Bradley County in East Tennessee, southwestern Meigs County in East Tennessee, north central Polk County in East Tennessee, McMinn County in East Tennessee, southwestern Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Charleston, Oregon, 11 miles north of Cleveland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Charleston around 2:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Utah around 2:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ricel, Englewood, Mount Vernon, Calhoun, Hills View, Bullock Creek, Big Spring, and Dentsville. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 33 and 46. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.